Hey guys, I know that while I was out today, Brody emailed me and said that y'all were having a problem that you were all kind of stumped on, and so I thought I would just make a quick video to solve that problem and give you just a couple options, and so you don't have to wonder forever, okay? So, the problem was t equals and -1 divided by u times RS, okay? And it asked for you to solve for u, okay? So solving for u was, u is the variable we're solving for, okay? And so this is a difficult problem. It's different than anything we've looked at, and so let's take a look at it, okay? I'm gonna make it a little smaller, maybe. There we go. Okay. So the first thing we're thinking about is getting u by itself, and so we have a couple of options. And I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. So we've got this -1 divided by u times RS. Okay, so I would say the way I would work it, the first thing I would do is distribute this RS in, right? And so we can imagine this is RS over 1, and so we end up with t equals, right, negative RS divided by u, okay? So that's a valid way to rewrite this, right? Then I would say, okay, the u's on bottom, and I want it somewhere by itself on top. So let's multiply by this u to get it off the bottom. And then on this side, we can multiply by u, right? The u's cancel over here, but then what happens on this side, right? We're left with ut equals negative RS. And now, if we're solving for u, right? If we're solving for u, you guys know how to do this. All that's left is divide by t. Divide by t. And so our final answer here is u equals negative RS divided by t. Okay? So that's one way of solving it. Now, that's probably the way I would do it. But Brody suggested a different first move, and it was a valid thing. So I want to show you how you could maybe do that too. And the problem is t equals -1 divided by u times RS. She said, well, what if we divide by RS first to get rid of it? Do it to both sides. We can do that, right? T divided by RS equals -1 divided by u. Well, now what do we need to do? We still have to get the u off bottom. So now what we want to do is multiply by u on both sides, right? U's cancel over here. Slide everything out. We're left with ut divided by RS equals -1, okay? Well, now we need to get u by itself over here, and we know how to do that, okay? RS is being divided. Multiply by RS on both sides. Whoops. Times RS, right? These cancel. You got ut equals negative RS, and now we're back to the step we had, the final step we had on the other problem, right? And we divide by t on both sides. T's cancel, and we're left with u equals negative RS divided by t. So, Brody, great question. Hopefully this video helps. I'll be back Friday, so if there's any more problems, feel free to email me, but also we can discuss them on Friday.